Hi everybody, this is the intern from the OTR show, and this is where I live, and this is sort of the aftermath of last night's snow event, so I'm just going to pan around here a little bit, let you get a view of what happened afterwards. I mean, the after effect of the snow, and it's not really that bad. I've seen worse snow than this, but it was enough to pretty much shut the school down. You know, schools are closed for the day, that sort of thing. And anyway, I'm sort of shaking here because it's cold. And so I'll sort of go into pan into my yard once again here. And there we go. And I said I'll put this up on YouTube in a little bit, let y'all see what the snow is like here. But yeah, this is a typical street in the neighborhood in which I live, so. Alright, catch you later. Bye.